guys, what is up, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. So for today's video, we are moving out of college, even though we're not supposed to yet. Missing someone. If you guys saw my last video, I talked about the whole situation with my college and how we have to now move out. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. It'll make sense why I'm moving out. Yeah, I don't want to. And I just know today is going to be a very long, stressful, dreadful move out day because I know moving day was pretty long. So I hope you guys enjoy. But if you guys are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa, and I upload weekly beauty, lifestyle, and college-related videos to my channel. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And also make sure to follow my social medias, which are linked down below as always. And yeah, let's go move out. Here's my outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Kent State student leader shirt and my favorite Aerie leggings and my Love Your Melon hat because I literally lost this hat for like months and I finally found it, so I'm wearing it because I haven't worn it in a while. So anything you want to say to the YouTube?
Well, here we are 4 weeks earlier than I expected. But what are we gonna do?
I know.
It's something that we have to do.
We're like in Kent, but we're getting gas. And then gonna go to the lovely Koontz Hall.
And start packing.
Fun times. Looking like so far. Closet cleaned out, desk a mess, this stuff a mess. So yeah, dying. Hi. Okay, hi, I'm with Ashley. It's the last time we're being in a vlog for a while.
No,
well, not really,
I love being
but my whole this is all like demolished. It's empty.
It's so sad.
Hers isn't yet. It's less sad, but
mine's just really messy.
Oh, this is a wreck. It's not that bad.
Peep the drink.
Peep the drink. My desk is empty. Like, I was told to clean under my bed. I don't know if I'd like to say the vlog.
I don't really know.
Rip spring semester.
Okay, put me on the spot right here. R.I.P. spring semester. Can't believe this is happening. I don't know.
Hi, this is my RA Bree. We love her. We're gonna miss her. Thank you for making this year so great. We love you.
I love you too. I'm gonna miss you guys so much. I am.
How you feeling? You feeling good? Great. Hi guys, this is such a mess. I mean, it's really not that bad. We're almost done. We just have some more stuff here to put in the car, but we're running out of space, so we literally had to like undo like our stands that we had, so that's what we're doing right now. But I'm outside and it's frigid, freezing, and here comes Ashley. Are you good, B?
Yeah. Just the coffee is kicking in.
I don't even have coffee, like. Oh, we finished putting our thing in. What just fell? Oh my god! I feel like it's broke. I'm scared.
Ready?
I definitely feel like it's broke.
I feel like it might be, but I feel like it was such a graceful fall.
Oh, she's
just a little dusty.
She good.
This is where I say bye to Ashley for a while. I'm gonna miss her so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do without her. It's not declining balance. I wish. I'm gonna miss you. Love you.
All right, hi guys. So I got home a little bit ago from moving out. I am so exhausted. It was such a long day. It's literally like 7 o'clock and we were gone since 9, but we like came home, unloaded the car, and then went to the grocery store and stuff like that. I'm really tired. Today was a very long, dreadful day. I'm very sad that I moved out of my dorm. Can't wait to move back in. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I could vlog. It was pretty fun. I'm glad me and Ashley got to move out together. It just like made it more enjoyable. But yeah, so that's like all I have for you guys. I am so exhausted right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave nice comments down below. I'm going to be resuming normal videos this week about anything you guys want to see. I have one in mind I for sure want to do, and then some other ones. So anything you guys want to see, college, beauty, lifestyle related, definitely let me know. So yeah, just let me know anything you guys would like to see, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!